Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to generate your own custom snippet with VS Code. Let's say you have a code like this where you have to generate each service like this each and every time, but with maybe different name. It can be user service, employee service, and different, let's say, URL. Then you can go to the website called Snippet Generator app. Then you copy your code, go to that app, paste your code. Then you can write on description, you can write whatever you want. Let's say I will write a service boilerplate. Then on the tab trigger, that's what will trigger your snippet when you type on VS Code. For me, I will be underscore service. When I type underscore service, it will import this code. Let's say now, because I'm doing it for VS Code, I will select VS Code. Then you go here at the bottom, like a placeholder. This placeholder, let's everywhere where you want to change maybe the name of your class, let's say user service. If you want to change all of it like user service, you put that placeholder. But for me now, I will, on the user, I will just put a placeholder here. Example, if I leave it as an example, when it generates, it will say class example service. But now for default, I want to name it user. Then I can copy this placeholder and paste it here on the user. Then this is number one. Then number two, I want to change my URL. Then I'll press 2. Then on the placeholder, I will change the number to be number 2. Then here I will write default URL to be http localhost 3000/API. Then here number 3 on the route, I have to change the route to be maybe if it's employees, so that all the route will be employees. So I'll go to route and paste here. It will be number 3. Then from here I'm using user, it will be users. Then I will copy this placeholder and paste for each and every route. Then I have to recheck if everything is okay. Now if everything is okay, you can come here on the VS Code tab. Then you go at the bottom, you click copy snippet. After copying snippet, you go back to VS Code and you click this button, the setting button. Then you go here on the user snippet. On the user snippet, you click JavaScript. You say it's selected. If not selected, you can search by JavaScript. Then you see now you can select JavaScript. I don't have any snippet. If I paste my snippet, you'll see here I have pasted my snippet that I copy from the app generator. Then I save. Now if I come to services folder, I want to create employee services. I say employee.service.js. If I type underscore service, you see now I have IntelliSense. If I press tab, I have that. But for now, I want to change user to be employee. If I say employee, you see now even here the employee is changed. If I click tab on my keyboard, it will go to number 2. Number 2 is URL. Then I have to change my URL to be http slash, let's say the API is employees.com/API. Then if I click again the tab, it will go to my routes. If my routes is employees, let's say I'll type employees, then save. Then we're done. Thank you.